Take a ride in the 2024 Crosstrek. This all-new four-wheel drive crossover by Subaru fills that spot for a vehicle with true outdoor capabilities, which is comfortably home driving to soccer practice too. The all-wheel drive Crosstrek pulls in the best parts of the award-winning Impreza and adds the details to give this crossover a bit of style among a sea of boring. And since it's a Subaru, you know the Crosstrek is built to last. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, LED headlights, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, lane departure warning, remote engine start, traction control, stability control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.